Buen día y bienvenidos. Welcome to our Spanish course for summer 2022. This is Spanish 4 or Spanish 2120. Mi nombre es Profe Jeff, and I just wanted to prepare this intro video to get us started off on the right foot to have a successful experience in our Spanish course. As you've already seen, you've landed here on our homepage in Canvas. We'll go over it in a couple of other places that you can get some good help to make it through the course. Above all, the most important thing for any online course, any course for that matter, is la comunicación. If you ever have any questions, please send me an email through Canvas. As it says here on the homepage, I'm not online 24/7, but since this is a fast-paced course, I will respond on a daily basis to any questions or inquiries that you might have. Also, please check the announcements section of Canvas on a regular basis. Please go through what you need to set up the notifications so that you can receive the announcements to your email. Use the Canvas guidelines for that. That way you'll be up to date. I'm not going to necessarily send out announcements every day, but 1 or 2 per week for sure, so that we can keep on pace with what we need to do here. Okay. Above all, the best thing to have success in this course or any course is to, what I say, my slogan or lema en español es hacer un poco todos los días. So doing a little bit every day will keep you up to date with what you need to do. Okay. So go through. Here's information on our textbook, where you can get it either at the bookstore or buying it online. It's always a little cheaper if you buy it directly from the website listed here. There are a couple of videos on how to access that, whether you're using a mobile device or a desktop computer or laptop. Please make sure and use the book course code for this course so that you'll be in the right place and I can see the work that you're doing as you sign up for the book, either using the code you purchased at the bookstore or online. You've probably taken other courses with us already, which means you're familiar with the fact that we will be using Duolingo as part of the course. So I can see your progress. Make sure and follow the instructions, whether you're doing it through the mobile app or on a computer at this link here. Okay. Since the syllabus is such an important part, we're going to take a few minutes and go through that. So you can go ahead and download it. I'm just going to pop to it here. Okay. Please make sure and read through all of the expectations for the course. As this is an online class, there is no attendance policy, but your participation is very important. Okay, so please make sure and do that. All of the grade is broken down here in our sections between la comunicación and comunidades. We will be having 5 chapter quizzes, two oral presentations. You'll be expected to do Duolingo for each chapter. We also have 2 written diarios during this semester, during this session, and we also have homework to do. Now, when you get into your textbook, we'll take a look here in a minute. You'll notice that there are some activities called en clase and others that are called en casa. Since this is an online course, you will be responsible to complete all of the en clase and all of the en casa activities. Okay, but we'll, again, like I said, go through that a little bit more in a minute. As part of the community section, your participation online is important, like we said there, and that's why we've allowed so many points there. Conversation logs with people that you know who speak Spanish. You'll see explanations on that, or if you've taken a course with us already, it's a continuation of that. There will be also 2 online conversations with the instructor, and you'll see those in the discussions forum. Okay, so we'll go over that as well. And an important component of our course are the 3 C's activities. The ideal way to complete those is to do 1 per week. We have 5.5, 6 weeks in the course, so if you complete 1 per week, then you'll have no issues. Okay. As we mentioned before, the calendar is here. The other place to see the calendar in Canvas is to go to the bottom of the home page and just follow it through there. Un poco todos los días. Any changes to the calendar, I will show or make an announcement in Canvas. Okay, so the one in the syllabus is tentative. So again, la comunicación, make sure to read anything I send out. Okay. The best thing to do once you've gone through the syllabus in more detail is to follow these first 4 steps. Setting up your access to the book, and then step number 2 is to follow each chapter. Will have what I call mi camino por el capítulo, so that's my pathway through the chapter, and those can be seen in the modules. We'll go there in a second. And then connect your Duolingo app with our Duolingo classroom, which are those instructions we already listed there. And then ask any questions, but get started. It's also permissible to work ahead in the course. Okay, the deadlines will be for work as you keep up with it, but if you would like to work ahead, there's no problem. All assignments are currently open for the course. Okay. Best place to go to see everything is in the modules section. There you'll see each chapter is broken down with its assignments, so you can just step your way through the course. Okay, well, I think that's it for now. Muchas gracias. I really look forward to this learning experience together. Again, as I mentioned before, si hay preguntas, avísenme. Hasta luego.